Hello and welcome to the MAC weather page for this Tuesday, August 2nd. And this is take number 6 between technical difficulties, corrupt files, and about 3 phone calls trying to do a later forecast during business hours. Hopefully we can get through this real quick. You can see this morning sunrise with some ground fog. That's all burned off now. We'll expect lots of sunshine here today through Thursday with highs in the mid 80s today. And then we'll be around the mid 80s to around 90 for Wednesday, Thursday, maybe Friday if that cold front is slower in its arrival. But again, Wednesday, Thursday, it'll be very warm, very humid with dew points and humidities on the rise. If we look at the next slideshow, the Agro Expo coming up August 16th, 17th, and 18th in St. John's. And MAC will have its presence there with a couple of booths at 12:09 and at 16:03. So hopefully we'll see you down there then. If we look at the normals for the day, our normal high is 82, the normal low 58. Notice the 5 inches of snow it says we got in 1888. Now I checked with the Midwest Climate Center where we get this data from and question that because it actually has 4 snow events for the month of August that year, and I really don't believe that, especially when you look at the weather map from that date, August 2nd, 1888. We had high pressure system across the Carolinas, low off into the Dakotas, and we were under a south and southwest wind bringing warmth and humidity up with the 80-degree line across much of the Great Lakes. So I really seriously doubt that we picked up 5 inches of snow on that date. But again, I'll try to dig into that. If we look at the conditions around the area yesterday, temperatures mainly in low 80s across much of the area. St. Thomas, which has been very dry over May, June, and July, only about a third of the normal rainfall, has been getting quite wet lately. Another 86 hundredths of an inch of rain yesterday. If we look at the conditions around the MAC area this morning, temperatures were in the mid 60s. Again, as we look across the area, temperatures in the 60s during the morning hours across the southern part of the state, 50s off to the north, and well into the 60s heading towards 70 in Wisconsin as that warm air begins to move this way. Nothing on radar that'll affect us around here today, probably not even until we get into Thursday night. Now, there is a chance with that warm air push coming into the region, we could see some scattered isolated thunderstorms tonight into Wednesday, but I think the best bet is most of that will stay well off to our south, southwest, and west, as again, we have a system that will be dropping to the southeast. Our main weather maker will be a low pressure system to track out of the plains into southern Canada, and that'll drag a cold front through here Thursday night or Friday morning. If we look at the weather map this morning, low pressure system again across the plains will be dropping to the southeast, providing most of the rainfall well to our southwest. Our next weather maker will come from the plains, and then by Thursday morning, that'll move into the northern plains, spreading some showers and thunderstorms, some of those with heavy rain and severe activity. Again, that'll track off to the east towards the UP, but for much of the lower peninsula, it looks like will be mainly just scattered thunderstorms as we get into Friday night with this system here coming through, bringing that severe weather during the afternoon and evening hours across the UP and weakening as it moves into the lower peninsula. As far as precipitation over the next 5 days from NSEP, you can see with that weakening area thunderstorms, the heaviest rain will be off to the northwest with that complex Thursday night into Friday morning, and much less in the way of precipitation across much of the MAC area. And it looks like we'll have a nice weekend with a little bit cooler temperatures in the 80s and lower humidity and dew points behind that cold front. Thanks for stopping by and have a great day, and 73s to all.